Hey everyone, I am Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, and today we'll be diving into the world of solutions, solutes, and solvents. And it's I'm actually very excited because this topic is a topic that reflects in our day-to-day affairs, and I'm going to be taking my time to break it down stepwisely. Now, have you ever wondered why sugar is able to dissolve in hot water and not cold water? Of course, there should be the chemistry behind it is where we are diving into right now. Now, this is the series of this video, which is part one. There are other series two under this part which will be dishing out. So stay tuned, do well to like, share, and comment, and at the same time, feel relaxed because chemistry is a daily routine for our lives. Now, for example, your sugar is able to dissolve in water, but not all solutes can be dissolved in water. That is why that is where the concept of like dissolve likes, like polar dissolve polar, non-polar dissolve non-polar. For example, I can be eating my meal and I can be eating my meal and an oily substance poured on the dress I'm on. Can I use water to remove this this solute or this stain? Of course, no. Now, what then is the concept all about? But before then, let us talk about briefly on what is solute and what is solvent. Now, what is solute? A solute is any substance that can be dissolved in a solvent. It can be the solute can be in the liquid, in the solid, or in the gaseous state. While a solvent is any substance that can dissolve a solute. You see, both of them work side by side. Now, on the board are solutes and their specific solvents. And at the end of this video, you'll be able to get WAEC and JAMB questions that relates to what we are doing, that you can go check it off from your past questions. Of course, sodium chloride can be dissolved. The suitable solvent for sodium chloride is water. Alkanol, of course, is water. Copper 2 sulfate is water. Do not forget that, please. Sugar is water. Carbon dioxide is water. Now, meanwhile, CO2 and water, when combined together, is what gives us carbonic acid, which is a weak acid. We'll get to that concept in in other videos we'll be doing. For mainly oxygen as a solute, the solvent is nitrogen. For iodine is ethanol, and we call this tincture. We call it tincture of iodine. Tincture of iodine is a solution consisting of what now? Iodine and ethanol. We have naphthalene. Naphthalene is a solute that can be the suitable solvent for naphthalene is ethanol. Now, look at it now. We have fat, oil, and grease. Take note, for fat, oil, and grease, the suitable solvents here, we can use petrol, we can use kerosene, we can use ammonia. I have seen questions in JAMB, WAEC, and other exams where they will ask you which of these solutes or which of the solute, what is the suitable solvent for grease. Of course, you may not see petrol there, you may not see kerosene there. The answer is what now? Ammonia, meaning petrol, kerosene, ammonia can serve the same purpose as a suitable solvent for dissolving this fat, oil, and also what that grease. The suitable solvent for sulfur is carbon disulfide. For paint is turpentine. Now, I can be taking tea in my office in US, and all of a sudden, the tea poured on my dress. What suitable solvent can we use to remove it? Of course, the answer is borax in water. I know this because I'm a chemist. Now, the chemical formula for borax in water, of course, when borax dissolves in water, it is basic in nature. You can see it here. This is the chemical formula for borax. So borax in water, as you can see here. Now, below are JAMB question. You can see them here. And of course, this will mark the end of this first episode. Do well to comment, share, and of course, if there's any question, you can drop it on the comment section below. I remain my humble self, Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet, your chemistry educator and your friend. God bless you.